अभी अभी मुझे पता चला है कि माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी ने मेरे ऊपर जिम्मेदारी मुझे जिम्मेदारी दिया है और इस जिम्मेदारी को माननीय प्रधानमंत्री जी के अपेक्षा अनुसार मैं जिम्मेदारी निभाऊंगा. I accept this responsibility with sense of duty and humility, and I am thankful to the Prime Minister. In last 12 years of Prime Minister Shri Modi government, many historical achievements have been done, and even in last 4-5 years, Shri Dharmendra Pradhan also executed national new education policy. All such things have been done, and country is really, it has advanced very well in the new education system, and under the guidance of the Prime Minister, I will try to perform to the best of my capacity under Prime Minister's guidance.